Everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. Today I am bringing you the May Hit Kit Club scrapbooking kit. It's their main kit, and like always I will go through it, show you the paper, show you the products, etc. And yeah, we'll take it from there. So let's start with the paper, and let's start right at the top. So the very first one is crepe paper. It is from the Wild Heart collection. So it's got these glasses on the one side and then this geometric pattern on the other. I don't see me using the glasses. I would definitely use this side. Also from Crepe Paper Wild Heart, this is electric and it's got like an arrow pattern, I guess, if you want to call it, multicolored. And the other side is this color blocked. I'm not sure which I would use. I kind of like both. Pattern up. One of my favorite collections, I actually just bought the paper pack for this because I love the paper so much, is from Pink Fresh from the Heart collection. This says Whim, and it's just this really pretty, I'm trying to think, what do you want to call it? It almost looks like a journal, you know, collage kind of thing. And then the other side is this more neutral yellow, well, yellow, a tone-on-tone yellow design. That's very fun, but I do love this side. From the Hit Kit Club itself, an exclusive, this is Rainbow Sherbet by Kimberly Hutchison. It's so pretty. And if, for those of you that are really into the whole mermaid thing, it totally looks like mermaid scales. And the other side is this really pretty floral. Oh, this is going to be a tough one. I may have to just cut it in half and use both. I'll go with this one. From Pink Fresh, Case of the Blahs, there's this is Awkward. And it is this mainly white with a broken up plus or star, I guess. And the other side is this gorgeous blue grid. Love that. I love Pink Fresh. I think they're one of my favorite lines out there. And their cardstock feels thicker than other brands. Okay, from Heidi Swapp, Pineapple Crush. This is gorgeous too. It's this watercolor aqua from dark ombre, like so from dark to light. And the other side is an aqua stripe, diagonal stripe. That's just beautiful. From her same collection is Tide Pool, and it's got these big jumbo circles, watercolored. And the other side is a black and white word, Good Vibes, Dreams, Sunshine, repeated pattern. Also from her collection, Palm Beach, so it looks like some watercolored palm fronds, and the other side is a black and white stripe. Gorgeous. I love both of them. From Amy Tangerine, Sunshine and Good Times is this really cute bird pattern. Look at the colors. So much fun. You could fussy cut these out. They look like they're pretty doable. And the other side is this rainbow. This one is called Tweet Tweet. I think I like the birds. I do think I like the birds. And then last but not least, another one from Heidi Swapp, Pineapple Crush, is Sun Chaser, and it's this ombre, which is beautiful. And this side is, it's not exactly a dot, but it's, because it's got little flourishy, it's a flourishy dot. I don't know how to describe it, but it's very pretty. I actually quite like this collection. I haven't seen anything about it before, so I might have to do a little bit of research on that one, because I like the 3 pages that are included in here very much. For the alphas, we have from Thickers, it's called Charming, and it's a distressed or mixed media kind of look to the alphabets. and you do get numbers. That's charming. We also get some word thickers that are glittered gold. This looks like it might be from Amy Tangerine. I'm guessing it looks like her font. And it's called Chill. And there's chill, good times, fun, wild, love, sun and fun, favorite, memories, best day, thankful, paradise, sweet, perfect, and getaway. So it kind of has a vacation summer theme to it. This is distributed by American Crafts. It says Creative Devotion on it. They're texture stickers. I wonder what that means. Let me pull them out of the pack. They look like paint swatches. Yeah, they're not like textured. They're smooth of them in and of themselves. Oh, they are clear. They're well, not clear, they are see-through, I guess is the word. Transparent. That's the word. See, I remember eventually. They are transparent. And so this will give you a good base to maybe add embellishment clusters on. Fun. You're just going to have to watch what color you put underneath because it could change the way they look. For other embellishments we received from Crepe Paper Wild Heart these ribbons. They're super cute. Stay Wild, Hello. I like those. I've never used these actually before. What do they call them? They just call them standouts, 4 standouts. So those are pretty. And then last but not least, we have Amy Tangerine. It does not say anything on here, but I would guess this is from her latest collection. It says includes acetate and foil pieces. So I'm just going to show you up close what's on the package, and then maybe we'll pull out the acetate ones and have a look at them, because it's really difficult to see on here which ones are acetate and which ones aren't. So let me just clear this off. I do have a whiteboard down today, so hopefully that will make viewing these easier. And I will just lay them out so we can have a look-see. So it said acetate and foil. Okay, so the peacock here, he's acetate. The butterfly's acetate. It says you are beautiful, which is acetate. This bird, oh, he's so cute. A sewing machine. Some shoes. The best. A floral piece. And then these are foil, but they almost have like a holographicness to them. Fun. The glasses, my favorite, the cactus, and enjoy today. So that's the specialty pieces. And then the regular die cuts, let's have a look at those. So what do we got here? We got some cups, mugs, cups. That's a shell. Let's turn this around the right way. A shell. Cups, floral, a peach, a lemon, make lemonade, another shell, floral, suitcase. So I guess it's kind of got a summertime vibe to it, vacation, that kind of thing. Like I said, from the words, it's what it looks like. Tag, words, journaling, little strawberry. Notice that there's a lot more fruit showing up in collections of watermelon. Another tag. Another journaling. The camera's cute. I love cameras. I think we should have cameras in every collection. A book. Hello. Adventure. The cactus again. This one with blooms, and then another journal box. So that, let's bring that all down, are all the, whatchamacallits, all the ephemera. Let's just move this up. See how much you can see. So that is the May kit for the Hip Kit Club. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this useful in understanding what the Hip Kit is all about. And yeah, until next time, happy crafting.